Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass IP ban on Discord Mobile. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below in the description. If you've been IP banned on Discord, it means the platform has blocked your network's specific address, preventing you from accessing the service, even if you try to create a new account. This can be a frustrating situation, but there is a straightforward and effective solution to get back on Discord. The most reliable way to bypass an IP ban on the mobile device is by using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, will hide your real IP address and assign you a new one from a different location. This makes it appear to Discord servers that you are connecting from a completely different network, effectively circumventing the ban. Here is the simple step-by-step process. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, or the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type NordVPN and download the official application. Once the download is complete, open the NordVPN app. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you are a new user, you'll need to create a new account, which is a quick and easy process. After you are logged in, the app will typically present you with a map or a list of server locations. For the best performance and speed, I recommend using the Quick Connect button. This feature automatically finds and connects you to the fastest available server based on your location. Once you tap Quick Connect, the app will establish a secure connection. You will see a confirmation on the screen, and a VPN icon will appear in your phone's status bar. With the VPN connection active, your internet traffic is now securely routed through that remote server. Your real IP address is completely hidden from Discord. Now, simply open your Discord mobile app. You should now be able to access the service, log into an existing account, or even create a new one without encountering the IP ban. For a consistently fast and secure connection that reliably bypasses IP bans, I recommend using a premium service like NordVPN. It's a more dependable and safer alternative to free VPNs, which can be slow and often lack the necessary security features. Check out the link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.